Hi guys, so today, I'm wearing my Kandora, so I'm Emirati, and my grandmother is Syrian, as you can see. But let's start the video. Today we're opening those nice Adrenalyn XL thing for Panini FIFA 365 2020. It's from last year and from 2 years ago. They made these stuff for Panini. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Today we are opening those 5, and I hope we can open one. Let's keep those for now, and let's start to open them. Everyone can eventually see. David Alaba. Arthur from the Brazil club. Hector Herrera, the teammate from Atletico. Tiro Kehrer. Saul Niguez. Juan Mata. That's cool. Is it? So I'm wearing my Emirati clothes. So now the second part. Start opening the game. Australia. Callejon. Let's start with Jose Callejon, and then Jose Callejon, Felipe Luis, Nelson Semedo, Joel Veltman, I mean, or also say better, Joel Veltman, Łukasz Piszczek for Borussia Dortmund. Oh my god, we got a gem. Marc-Andre ter Stegen. Now it's time to open the third packet. Start opening the third. And then to almost oh, it's okay. No face reveals. Oh my god. We got the Palmeiras one. Victor Luis. Salif Sane. Jose Jimenez. Presnel Kimpembe. Oh, Leroy Sane. And Douglas Costa. Anyway, 2 more. That's all. The kids can write in the comments when they have a kids YouTube channel, kids account with little subscribers. So then I'm more popular than I got 20 subscribers. Some kids has to subscribe. For everyone, but except comments for kids can only write comments. Where the men's and women's can do, but except then. Now let's continue. Lenny Pintor. Oh, Pintor. This is the first time seeing this. Oh my god. Enzo Perez. This. Sven Ulrich. Now he come to Hamburg, because I forgot to say it. Marcos Llorente. Sorry, but it's not a fart. got Gonzalo Montiel. And Weverton, the one who won the Rio 2016 Olympics there with the under 23 team. Now let's open the final packet that I will complete. Let's see. We got Stefano Sensi, the gold. Well, I think I can better say not to it, but we can still say go Victor Lindelöf, Marcus Rashford. Oh my jeez. Oh my god, because I don't know how to say jeez. I say Jabal jeez. Kwadu Asamoah, sorry. Riyad Mahrez. Miralem Pjanic. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I hope you like this video. Make sure to click here, share and subscribe, and you will find this in Virgin Store in the Dubai Mall. It's the only tools and Premier League, the thing I'm mostly video it. But now it's my first time videoing this FIFA 365. Okay, that's the end. We'll see you next time, and bye!